In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. If you wanna get rid of your search bar, all you need to do is hold it and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, tap on Remove button in the middle. And wait! As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you wanna restore it though, don't worry, I got you. Just hold your device's display and wait for all of those options to show. When they do, choose widgets in the middle. Scroll to access Google section available here. Tap on it. Click on the search bar and select Add button. Then you can hold those lines at the corners, the white ones, in order to scale it, and hold it in the middle to move it around. Place it wherever you want to and let go. Then, to make those lines disappear, click on your screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!